Now let's have the word siya. Pronunciation, siya. It's on the second syllable. Siya. Part of speech, it is an independent person pronoun. Third person singular, he, she, it. In casual writing or speech, you may see siya as a contracted form of siya. Now let's have frequently used phrases. Wala siya. It means he or she is not here. Siya ra. It means only him or her. Nganong wala siya. It means why he or she is not here. And siya na. It means it's him or her now. Now let's have the uses of siya. So, use siya as a subject pronoun. Use siya when the person or thing is the doer of the action or emphasize the subject. So for example, siya ang moadto. So siya is the subject. So siya ang moadto, it means he or she will go. Next is object pronoun. So use siya to mean him or her after a verb. So written in full form. Okay, so for example, nakita nako siya. So I saw him or her. So siya is an object pronoun in this sentence. So it means him or her. Next is the position in a sentence. So before or after the verb, you can use siya. So for example, siya ang mosulat or mosulat siya. It means he or she will write. So here, siya before the verb mosulat, and siya here after the verb mosulat. So both are correct. Siya ang mosulat or mosulat siya. Next is no gender marking. Cebuano does not mark he versus she. So context or name is needed in translation. And animate and inanimate. So usually used for people and animals, you can say siya. However, for things, if you think of thing as it, you can use siya. Let's check the common mistakes of siya. So first is confusing siya with niya and iya. So niya is an oblique form. So it means by him or her or to him or her. And iya is the possessive one. It means his or her. Next is mixing enclitic and independent. So enclitic versus independent. Don't write nakita ko siya. So missing enclitic, right? You should write, or you should say nakita nako siya. This is the correct sentence. And lastly, spelling in casual text. So in Bisaya, if you're texting, you can use siya. So you can write this way, siya. Yes. And for formal writing, so you will say or you will use the full word siya. Alright, so these are the common mistakes of siya. Now let's have further examples. So number 1, nakita nako siya sa mall kagahapon. It means I saw him or her at the mall yesterday. Number 2, musulat siya og sulat para sa maestro. It means he or she will write a letter for the teacher. And number 3, wala siya karon sa balay. It means he or she is not at home right now. And number 4, gihigugma siya sa tanan. It means he or she is loved by everyone. Now let's have reordering exercise. Rearrange the words to create a grammatically correct Cebuano sentence. Each sentence includes he or she, either siya or siya. Yes. Siya or siya, depending on the formality or tone of the sentence. Alright, so let's start. Number 1, nagsulti siya sa akong mama ang. The correct sentence is siya ang nagsulti sa akong mama. Yes. So it means he or she was the one who told my mother. So this is a subject-focused structure. Now let's have number 2. Mukaon og mangga. Ganahan siya. So what's the answer? Or what's the sentence? Alright, so the answer is ganahan siya mukaon og mangga. Yes, that's right. And number 3, ang siya nagdala sa bag sa eskwelahan. Okay, so the sentence is siya ang nagdala sa bag sa eskwelahan. Yes, siya ang nagdala sa bag sa eskwelahan. Number 4, siya naa sa balay karon ang. So, what's the correct sentence? Alright, so the sentence is siya ang naa sa balay karon. Yes, that's number 4. Siya ang naa sa balay karon. And number 5, siya muadto sa mall ugma ang. So what is the correct sentence for number 5? Alright, so the answer is siya ang muadto sa mall ugma. Yes. So siya ang moadto sa mall ugma. Alright, so did you get all them correctly? Well, good for you. And if you're still unsure or confused about how to use siya or siya, or how to make sentence with siya or siya, you can review our lesson or you can watch this video again. And for further explanation about the sentence, please check our website. Read all the details on our website. And if you want to practice your Bisaya skills, please take my class on italki. Let's talk Bisaya there, or let's study Bisaya further. Daghang salamat sa sunod na sad.